Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update AliExpress application. Before we begin with our tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To update AliExpress application, you need to first open your Google Play Store if you are using an Android. You can open your App Store if you are using an iPhone. I am using Google Play Store. Now here you'll be taken to For You page. Now tap on the search icon present on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on the search bar present on the top. Now type in AliExpress. With this, tap on the search icon present on your keyboard. Now here you'll be able to find AliExpress Shopping Online option. Tap on AliExpress Shopping Online. Now if you haven't updated your AliExpress application, you'll be able to find update option on the place of open. So tap on update option. It will take few seconds for your application to be updated. After it gets updated, you'll be able to find open option. You can tap on open option to open your AliExpress application. With this, you'll be able to update AliExpress application. This is how we can update AliExpress application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.